Gold continues to move higher and higher. Yesterday the price has formed this bullish candle where the price started from 2737, 1.11 as support level, and the price formed this strong bullish candle where there is no wick on the upper side, which means the price is experiencing no selling pressure, at least around this area where the price currently is, as it looks right now, the price will try to move higher. After the price formed this bullish breakout 2 days ago, we can see that here, the price has managed to continue to rise in value, and we can see there was no selling pressure here at this price level, where the price formed another bullish candle 2 days ago. Sorry, this was 3 days ago, and now the price has formed a strong bullish candle where the prices took off. We can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 2748.89, around 2750, a resistance level which I have mentioned in the previous analysis. This was managed to make a bullish breakout, and the price continued to rise in value. On the 4-hour time frame, there are certain levels as resistance levels that I have talked with the traders inside the community and also Telegram group. When the price makes a bullish breakout, what is the next resistance level? Now we can see that the price is heading towards 2817.77, a resistance level which I have marked as also a monthly resistance level. Will this be a precise price level? I do not know precisely, because this is a resistance level I have put based on the Fibonacci extension levels. And will the price respect this area as a supply zone? This is something that we need to test for the first time, because currently the price is on the all-time high price level and is currently heading higher. Now, in between this current price level where the price is and this resistance level supply zone around 2817.77, there are certain smaller levels on a 1-hour time frame and a 4-hour time frame that needs to be broken first, and they will be tested for the first time. Will the price manage to continue to rise? The value is something that I will watch daily and share with the traders inside the Telegram group. Now, regarding the breakouts, if they happen on the 1-hour time frame and a 4-hour time frame, if the price makes a bearish breakout going down, this will be also a trigger that the price could return back down to the first support level, which is at the demand zone around 2737.11. But if the price makes a bullish breakout above the small resistance level on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame, this will be a signal that the price will continue to rise in value, where the next target will be 2817.77. Now, this is all for this daily analysis. If you would like also to get the notification on your Telegram, feel free to go to the Get No Trading website and join with 7-day free trial membership, where you can also join with the traders to get the daily notifications when something changes and when the bullish or bearish breakout forms on the chart. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.